Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome to Calgary. My name is Toby, so I'll be your guide this morning. That's how we are gonna do it here in Calgary. That is our Calgary Tower, of course. This is the Hanover building. It also offers a lot of cool programs.
And it was a lot of tips, everything was clear. It was at a nice and slow pace, so I would definitely recommend doing this trip.
I did like this tour, a lot of tips, and I think we saw a lot of different interesting places.
1, 2, 3. That train leads to what's known as the Calgary Stampede. And 1985, as a gift, because what you'll find in here is a lot of exotic plants. Therefore, we should have the right to vote, right? Because it's very accessible from our river. I love Calgary, it's such a beautiful city.